hearts racing in the night. Every moment now is gone, screaming secrets to the stars, wishing on a paper plane, building castles made of jars, captured sunshine in the rain. Memories like echoes fade, still they linger like a song. In our minds they're boldly played, yet we know they can't belong. Old photographs in a dusty box, love notes scribbled on a page. In my head they paradox, heat of youth now mellow sage. Time's a thief that steals our days, leaves us with a gentle no. The fleeting dance beneath its blaze, only shadows left to show. Footprints vanish from the shore, whispers carried by the breeze. Moments lost, yet something more, as forever in our seas. Memories like echoes fade, still they linger like a song. In our minds are boldly played, you're right, yet we know they can't belong. Old photographs in a dusty box, still they linger like a song. In our minds they're boldly played, yet we know they can't belong. Old photographs in a dusty box, love notes scribbled on a page. In my head they paradox, heat of youth now mellow sage. Time's a thief that steals our days, leaves us with a gentle no. The fleeting dance beneath its blaze, only shadows left to show. Footprints vanish from the